Calum1998, I can't believe you grounded my jock gets grounded character for nothing. That's it. It's time to do Calum1998 gets grounded. Start the video, cameraman.
Come back here, robber.
Yes. I stole the screwdriver. Now I should go home.
Come back here, robber. That's it. I'm calling the police.
Calum1998, how do you steal a screwdriver and then got sent to prison?
This is the worstest thing that every other troublemaker has done before. You need to learn your lesson.
I am sorry, Mom and Dad.
You're grounded for life, and sorries will not work.
Now go to your room and sleep for the whole day.